Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. We use the forum to discuss some of the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. Every week, we surface some of the best small and mid-cap, large cap, as well as core thematic ideas. At the end of the week, we take these ideas and capture them into a small bite-sized video, which is uploaded onto our YouTube channel. This allows you to revisit old ideas at your own time and pace, as well as share them with friends. This week, we will look at Shou Yuan, which is a funeral services company in China. We will move on to study Renesas in Japan, and finally, Hero Motocorp in India. Shou Yuan, the ticker is 1448 Hong Kong. The market cap is about $1.3 billion at the moment. The share price has fallen significantly over the course of the last year, and this is covered by Osbert Tang on the platform. Shou Yuan is China's largest death care services provider. It operates cemeteries and funeral facilities. It has a solid earnings track record, very favorable demographic trend with an aging population, as well as extremely attractive land reserve, which underpins future growth. Shou Yuan continues to emphasize on shareholder return. It has increased its payout ratio as well as share buyback. Net cash is over 20% of current market cap, and valuations are not stretched, either relative to its own history or that of its peers. It has secured demand as well as very high earnings quality and a solid financial position, which makes it look extremely attractive at current levels. We'll move on to Renesas. The ticker is 6723JP. This is a large cap with a market cap of nearly $15 billion and trades 75 million a day. This is covered by Scott Foster on the platform. Renesas, for those of you who are not familiar, it researches, designs, and manufactures semiconductor and integrated devices. Most recently, it has acquired Steradian Semicon, which complements its partnership with the Tata Group, hence expansion into India. It follows the purchase of Realty Analytics in the US, as well as Celino Communications in Israel. What this means is Renesas now has a growing global footprint and technology sophistication to meet ADAS, AI, and IoT standards. For those of you who are not familiar with these acronyms, a lot of them play into autonomous vehicles as well as the Internet of Things. It's trading below 10 times PE, but it is definitely vulnerable to a semiconductor down cycle. We would use weakness to accumulate for a long-term potential. Finally, we will move on to Hero Motocorp HMCL in India. Market cap is over $6 billion. This is covered by Pranav Bhavsar on Smartkarma. Hero designs, manufactures, and distributes motorcycles. It has been outperforming the benchmark Nifty index over the last 6 months. However, Pranav's flash channel checks done in South India suggest that the outperformance is about to diminish. They feel that the failure of a model, high competitive intensity, as well as changing preferences can lead to high inventory levels. What this means is that the stock price is looking set to underperform post the wholesale Diwali season, which has just concluded. For all this and more, please continue the conversation on Smartkarma, where you can post discussions and have a direct conversation with our insight providers. Thank you for your participation and hope to see you again next week. Cheers. Bye-bye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching and see you next week.